Are you the kind of person who, when you get a gift, you want to shake it up and try to figure out what's inside? Well, you're about to find out.
I love this trick.
Like, I think this is it. This is my trick that I'm going to show.
What I liked about it was it allowed me to play around with each reveal.
And it's a lot of fun to play with.
They're enjoying the whole game of like shaking the card.
I think is really interesting to me because I do that and it drives my wife nuts.
That I've never seen in a magic trick.
What I like about what you've done with this one is you've given meaning to everything. You've given a good reason, and the method gets hidden because you're so caught up in the playfulness.
Like everybody gets into it.
Most of the time, your audience doesn't even realize that there's a trick going on.
So it's really a great presentation for an old principle.
This is a method that's completely hidden within the design and the presentation, and this uses a well-known principle. However, this is my favorite application of the principle because everything makes sense.
I believe that this trick is repeatable.
You literally can perform this even multiple times. It doesn't really matter.
It's fun, it feels right, and you actually don't even have to see anything that's going on to know what they're thinking.
So it does everything you need it to do. It draws people in. It gets their attention. They have fun with it. It's mind-blowing. Quickly set up. You could even repeat it if you wanted to. What's not to love?
But it's more than that. It's about connection.
Between you and the audience, talking about why they chose the gift, who they chose it for.
And brings a little nostalgia and can just really be a good time.
Were you thinking of like coffee? Dude, bro, come on.
Is it a motorcycle?
Yes.
Whoa. Chris.
Why'd you do that?
Oh, you guys are great. I really appreciate you.